Hello and welcome to Weight Loss Teachers. Today, we're going to share weight loss tips for people with limited time. In today's fast-paced world, it can be difficult to find the time to focus on our health and wellness goals. For many people, weight loss is a top priority, but finding the time to commit to an exercise routine or prepare healthy meals can be a challenge. However, with the right strategies and mindset, it's possible to achieve weight loss success even with limited time. If you are new to our channel, then don't forget to like, share and subscribe to Weight Loss Teachers. In this video, we'll explore some of the most effective weight loss tips for people with limited time, including strategies for exercise, nutrition, and mindset. 1. Exercise tips. When it comes to weight loss, exercise is an important component of any plan. However, finding the time to exercise can be a challenge for busy individuals. Here are some exercise tips to help you achieve weight loss success with limited time. Incorporate HIIT workouts. High-intensity interval training, HIIT, is a great way to burn calories and build muscle in a short amount of time. With HIIT, you alternate between short bursts of high-intensity exercise and periods of rest or low-intensity exercise. This type of workout can be completed in as little as 20 minutes and can provide benefits for hours after your workout is over. Try resistance training. Resistance training, also known as weight training or strength training, is another effective way to burn calories and build muscle. With resistance training, you use weights or resistance bands to challenge your muscles and improve your strength. These workouts can be done in a relatively short amount of time and can provide long-term benefits for weight loss and overall health. Make the most of your commute. If you have a limited amount of time to exercise, consider making the most of your daily commute. Walking or biking to work can provide a great workout and help you burn calories without taking up extra time in your day. You can also try parking farther away from your destination or taking the stairs instead of the elevator to incorporate more physical activity into your day. 2. Nutrition tips. In addition to exercise, nutrition plays a key role in weight loss. However, finding the time to prepare healthy meals and snacks can be a challenge for busy individuals. Here are some nutrition tips to help you achieve weight loss success with limited time. Plan your meals and snacks. One of the most effective ways to stay on track with your nutrition goals is to plan your meals and snacks in advance. Set aside time each week to plan out your meals and snacks, and consider prepping some items in advance to save time during the week. This can help you avoid the temptation to reach for unhealthy options when you're short on time. Choose nutrient-dense foods. When you're short on time, it can be tempting to reach for convenience foods that are high in calories and low in nutrients. However, choosing nutrient-dense foods can help you stay full and satisfied while also providing the nutrients your body needs to function at its best. Some examples of nutrient-dense foods include fruits, vegetables, whole grains, lean proteins, and healthy fats. Incorporate healthy snacks. Having healthy snacks on hand can help you avoid the temptation to reach for unhealthy options when you're short on time. Some examples of healthy snacks include nuts, seeds, fruit, yogurt, and raw vegetables. Consider prepping some snacks in advance so you always have something healthy to grab when you're on the go. 3. Mindset tips. Finally, achieving weight loss success with limited time requires the right mindset. Here are some mindset tips to help you stay motivated and focused on your goals. Set realistic goals. When it comes to weight loss, it's important to set realistic goals that are achievable given your limited time and resources. Instead of aiming for a specific number on the scale, focus on making small lifestyle changes that can add up over time. For example, you might aim to incorporate one new healthy habit each week, such as drinking more water or taking a daily walk. Focus on progress, not perfection. Weight loss is not a linear process, and there will inevitably be ups and downs along the way. Instead of focusing on perfection or trying to be perfect with your diet and exercise, focus on progress. Celebrate small victories along the way, such as losing a few pounds or increasing the amount of weight you can lift during a strength training workout. Practice self-care. It's important to prioritize self-care when you're working towards weight loss goals with limited time. This might mean setting aside time each day to meditate or practice yoga, getting enough sleep each night, or scheduling regular massage or acupuncture appointments. Prioritizing self-care can help you feel more balanced and energized, making it easier to stay motivated and focused on your weight loss goals. Conclusion: achieving weight loss success with limited time requires a combination of strategies for exercise, nutrition, and mindset. By incorporating high-intensity interval training and resistance training into your exercise routine, planning your meals and snacks in advance, and focusing on progress and self-care, you can achieve your weight loss goals even with a busy schedule. Remember to be patient and kind to yourself, and celebrate small victories along the way. With dedication and the right mindset, you can achieve lasting weight loss success and improve your overall health and well-being. Thank you for watching, and do remember to like this video and subscribe to our channel if you found this information helpful.